Starting a print-on-demand business in Kenya is one of the easiest ways to enter the online business world with little money. Many young people today are looking for businesses that do not require renting a shop, buying expensive stock, or employing workers immediately. Print-on-demand gives you that opportunity because products are only printed after a customer places an order. This means you avoid losses caused by unsold products. You can start from home using a smartphone or laptop and gradually grow into a full online brand. Many Kenyans are now buying products online more than before. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp have made it easier for businesses to market products directly to customers. At the same time, mobile money services like M-Pesa have simplified payments. These changes have created a good environment for online businesses such as print-on-demand. Print-on-demand is a business model where you create designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, caps, phone covers, tote bags, posters, notebooks, and many others. When a customer orders a product, a printing company prints the item and sends it to the buyer. You do not need to keep inventory in your house. You also do not need to buy many products before getting customers. This lowers the risk of starting the business. For example, if you create a funny design and upload it to your online store, a customer may order the t-shirt for 1,500 Kenyan shillings. Your printing partner may charge you 700 Kenyan shillings to produce the t-shirt. You remain with 800 Kenyan shillings before delivery and marketing expenses. If you make several sales daily, the business can become profitable within a short time. One of the biggest reasons why print-on-demand is growing fast in Kenya is because many people want unique products. Customers no longer want ordinary clothing that everyone else wears. They want custom products that express personality, humor, culture, faith, fashion, or interests. This is why branded merchandise has become popular among students, church groups, fitness enthusiasts, gamers, influencers, and businesses. Many successful print-on-demand brands in Kenya focus on specific audiences instead of trying to sell to everybody. Choosing a niche helps your business stand out. If you try selling random products to everyone, marketing becomes difficult because your store lacks identity. However, if you focus on a specific group, customers easily understand your brand. There are many profitable niches in Kenya today. Some people focus on motivational quotes. Others create products around Kenyan slang and memes. Some brands focus on faith-based messages, while others target university students with trendy fashion. Sports fans, anime lovers, gamers, travelers, and music fans are also strong niches. You should choose a niche you understand well, because it becomes easier to create designs and market products. The amount of money needed to start depends on how serious you want the business to be from the beginning. Some people start with less than 5,000 Kenyan shillings, while others invest more than 50,000 Kenyan shillings. If you already have a smartphone and internet connection, you can start with very little money. A domain name may cost around 1,500 Kenyan shillings per year. A professional online store using Shopify may cost several thousand Kenyan shillings monthly. You may also need money for internet, marketing, product samples, and graphic design tools. However, many beginners reduce costs by using free tools and social media before creating a full website. Design creation is one of the most important parts of print-on-demand. Your products must look attractive if you want customers to buy. Fortunately, you do not need to be a professional designer to succeed. Many simple text-based designs perform extremely well in Kenya. Sometimes a simple funny statement on a t-shirt sells more than a complicated design. There are free and affordable tools you can use to create designs. Canva is one of the easiest tools for beginners because it has templates and simple editing features. Photopea is another free option that works like Photoshop. More advanced designers may use Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. The important thing is to create clear and attractive designs that customers can understand quickly. You should avoid copying designs from the internet because copyright issues can damage your business. Many people make the mistake of downloading images from Google and printing them on products. This can lead to legal problems or removal from selling platforms. Instead, create original content or use licensed graphics. Color selection is also important in print-on-demand. Bright and readable colors usually attract more attention online. You should also consider how designs look on different product colors. A design that looks beautiful on a white t-shirt may not look good on a black hoodie. Testing different markups helps you understand what customers may prefer. Markups are digital images showing how your designs will appear on products. They are useful because customers want to see realistic product previews before buying. Good markups improve trust and increase sales. Many print-on-demand platforms provide markup generators automatically. Finding a reliable printing partner is another important step. In Kenya, several printing companies now offer print-on-demand services. Some focus on clothing, while others handle mugs, phone covers, and corporate gifts. Before choosing a supplier, you should test product quality first. Order samples and check the print quality, material quality, delivery speed, and customer service. Product quality matters a lot because poor quality products can destroy your reputation quickly. If customers receive faded prints or low-quality fabric, they may never buy again. Negative reviews can also affect your business growth. This is why testing suppliers before scaling is important. Some Kenyan entrepreneurs use local printers, while others use international print-on-demand platforms. International platforms may provide more product options and global shipping, but delivery to Kenya can sometimes be slower and more expensive. Local printing companies usually deliver faster within Kenya and may support M-Pesa payments more easily. Once you have designs and a supplier, you need a place to sell your products. An online store gives your business professionalism and helps customers place orders anytime. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms for print-on-demand because it is easy to use and supports many integrations. However, WordPress with WooCommerce is cheaper and gives more control over search engine optimization. Some beginners start without websites and use social media pages instead. This can work well in Kenya because many customers buy directly through Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and WhatsApp. A strong social media presence can generate sales even before building a professional store. Your online store should look clean and easy to navigate. Customers should quickly understand what you sell. Product images must be high quality, and descriptions should explain sizes, colors, materials, and delivery timelines clearly. If customers become confused while ordering, many will leave without buying. Payment integration is another important part of the business. In Kenya, M-Pesa remains the most trusted payment method. Customers feel comfortable paying through M-Pesa because they use it daily. You can accept payments using a till number, payable number, or payment gateways like Flutterwave, Paystack, and Pesapal. Offering several payment methods increases customer convenience. Some customers prefer debit cards, while others use bank transfers. Businesses targeting international customers should also support card payments and PayPal where possible. Delivery is one area many online businesses struggle with. Fast and reliable delivery creates trust and encourages repeat purchases. Customers want updates about their orders and expected delivery times. Delays without communication often lead to complaints. Within Nairobi, rider delivery services can deliver products quickly. Outside Nairobi, courier companies and parcel services are commonly used. Some businesses also use pickup stations to reduce delivery costs. You should calculate delivery fees carefully because expensive shipping can discourage customers from buying. Packaging also matters in print-on-demand. Attractive packaging improves customer experience and makes your brand look professional. Some businesses include thank you cards, stickers, or discount coupons to encourage repeat purchases. Customers often share beautiful packaging on social media, giving your business free marketing. Marketing is the engine of print-on-demand success. Without marketing, even the best products may never sell. Social media has become one of the most powerful marketing tools in Kenya because millions of people spend hours online daily. TikTok is currently one of the best platforms for growing a print-on-demand business. Short videos showing your products, printing process, packaging, or customer reactions can attract large audiences quickly. Viral videos can generate thousands of views and many sales. Instagram is also useful for fashion and lifestyle brands. High-quality photos and reels help attract customers interested in stylish products. Consistency matters because social media growth usually takes time. WhatsApp marketing remains extremely powerful in Kenya. Many businesses use WhatsApp status and groups to promote products daily. Since people trust personal recommendations, WhatsApp can generate repeat customers effectively. Facebook still works well for certain audiences, especially through Facebook Marketplace and groups. Businesses selling products to older customers may benefit more from Facebook compared to TikTok. Influencer marketing is another growing strategy in Kenya. Small influencers with loyal followers can help promote your products at affordable costs. Sometimes micro-influencers generate better engagement than celebrities because their followers trust them more. Search engine optimization is also important if you have a website. Search engine optimization helps your store appear on Google when people search for products. For example, if someone searches for funny t-shirts in Kenya or custom mugs Nairobi, your website can attract free traffic if optimized properly. Good search engine optimization includes using clear titles, detailed descriptions, proper keywords, fast-loading pages, and mobile-friendly designs. Since many Kenyans use smartphones for browsing, your website must work well on mobile devices. Blogging can also help bring free traffic. Writing articles related to your niche improves visibility on Google. For example, if your brand sells fitness apparel, you can write articles about gym culture, workout motivation, or healthy living. These articles attract visitors who may later buy products. Artificial intelligence search systems are changing how websites rank online. Modern search engines now prefer helpful, conversational, and trustworthy content. This means businesses should focus on solving customer problems instead of simply stuffing keywords everywhere. Customer service plays a major role in long-term success. Responding quickly to messages builds trust. Customers appreciate businesses that communicate clearly and professionally. Delayed replies often cause customers to buy from competitors instead. You should also handle complaints professionally. Mistakes happen in every business. A customer may receive the wrong size or delayed delivery. How you respond to problems determines whether customers continue supporting your brand. As your business grows, you may expand into more products and services. Some print-on-demand entrepreneurs eventually create full-fashion brands, open physical shops, or supply products to companies and events. Others build strong online brands and sell internationally. There are many challenges in print-on-demand, especially during the beginning. Competition can be high because many people are entering online business. Some designs may fail completely, while others perform surprisingly well. Patience and consistency are necessary. Many beginners quit too early because they expect instant success. In reality, building a successful brand may take months or years. Testing products, improving designs, learning marketing, and understanding customers require time. Another challenge is balancing pricing and quality. Cheap products may attract customers initially, but damage your reputation later if quality is poor. High-quality products may cost more but create repeat buyers and stronger trust. Economic conditions also affect customer spending habits. During difficult financial periods, customers may reduce spending on non-essential products. This is why understanding your audience and offering value remains important. One advantage of print-on-demand is flexibility. You can run the business while studying, employed, or managing other responsibilities. Since operations are mostly online, the business can fit many lifestyles. Technology continues making the business easier. Artificial intelligence tools can now help create designs, write product descriptions, generate marketing ideas, and automate customer communication. Entrepreneurs who learn to use technology effectively may gain competitive advantages. Building a recognizable brand should be one of your long-term goals. Customers remember brands with consistent quality, style, messaging, and customer experience. Strong branding helps businesses charge higher prices and build loyal communities. Photography also affects sales significantly. Clear and professional product photos increase trust and improve conversion rates. Even smartphone photography can work well if lighting is good. Video content is becoming even more important than photos. Many customers now prefer watching short videos before purchasing products. Videos help customers see product quality, fit, texture, and style more realistically. Reviews and testimonials can greatly influence buying decisions. Positive customer feedback builds trust for new visitors. Encouraging happy customers to share photos and reviews can improve credibility. Seasonal trends also create opportunities in print-on-demand. Events like Valentine's Day, Christmas, graduations, elections, sports tournaments, and campus events often increase demand for customized products. Businesses that prepare early for trends may generate higher sales. Corporate branding is another profitable area. Many businesses need branded t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, notebooks, and gift items for employees and events. Corporate clients can place larger orders compared to individual customers. University students are also strong customers, because many enjoy trendy and expressive fashion. Campus culture creates demand for stylish and affordable custom clothing. Faith-based merchandise has also grown significantly in Kenya. Many people buy products with motivational or religious messages. This niche can attract loyal customers if approached respectfully and creatively. Some entrepreneurs combine print-on-demand with content creation. For example, a YouTuber or TikTok creator may sell branded merchandise to followers. Personal brands can generate strong sales because audiences already trust the creator. International selling is possible as well. Some platforms allow Kenyan entrepreneurs to reach customers abroad. Selling internationally may increase profits because products can be priced higher in foreign markets. However, international shipping requires understanding customs fees, shipping timelines, and platform rules. Beginners may prefer focusing on Kenya first before expanding globally. Learning continuously is important in online business. Trends change quickly, and successful entrepreneurs adapt. Following industry news, testing new ideas, and studying competitors can help you improve. Financial discipline also matters. Some people make profits but spend all the money immediately instead of reinvesting into marketing, better tools, or inventory samples. Reinvesting profits helps businesses grow faster. It is also wise to separate personal money from business money. Tracking expenses and profits helps you understand whether your business is truly growing. Many successful businesses started small with only a few products. You do not need hundreds of designs to begin. Sometimes one strong design can generate significant sales if marketed properly. The future of print-on-demand in Kenya looks promising because e-commerce continues expanding. More people are becoming comfortable shopping online, and businesses are increasingly using branded products for marketing. Young entrepreneurs especially have opportunities because they understand internet culture, trends, and social media behavior. Creativity often matters more than large startup capital in this business. If you remain consistent, improve product quality, learn marketing, and understand your audience, print-on-demand can become a profitable long-term business. The journey may not always be easy, but the low startup costs and flexibility make it one of the best online business opportunities available in Kenya today.